Welcome to video content from the Irish department at St Paul's High School, Bessbrook. We hope you find the videos we have made available to you useful and they help you learn and practice your new vocabulary, phrases and sentences in a fun and easy way. Our videos are designed to be short and fast, so don't forget to watch again if you need to practice a little more, or to use the pause button on the video screen below if you need to stop the video at any time. Jadich, my name is Miss McCoy, and over the course of the next two videos, I'm going to introduce you to using numbers in Irish. Over the course of this video, we'll focus on the first 20 numbers in Irish, which form the basis of all the numbers you'll ever have to deal with. Let's begin. Our first number isn't really a number because it represents nothing. But it's important that you know how to say naught or zero in Irish. For example, if you're giving out your mobile phone number in Irish. Anoij. Anoij. Let's move on and learn how to count from 1 to 10. A hen. A hen. A doe. A doe. A tree. A tree. A cather. A cather. A cuig. A cuig. A shea. A shea. A shocked. A shocked. A hocked. A hocked. An lee. An lee. A jay. A jay. Well done. We've got from 1 to 10 very quickly. Will we try them again? A hen. A hen. A doe. A doe. A tree. A tree. A cather. A cather. A cuig. A cuig. A shea. A shea. A shocked. A shocked. A hocked. A hocked. An lee. An lee. A jay. A jay. Let's mix them up and see if you can work out what the number is before I say it. When you see the number, try and say it in Irish. A shea. A hocked. A doe. A jay. A shocked. A hen. An lee. A tree. A cather. Can you remember this one? Anoij. How did you do? Counting beyond 10 is easy in Irish. We add the word jig to the numbers we've already learned. Jig is the Irish for teen, which means if you're aged 11 or 12 in Irish, you're already a teenager. A hen jig is the number 1 a hen with jig added to the end. A hen jig. A doe yig. Be careful here. The pronunciation changes slightly. A doe yig. A tree jig. A tree jig. A cahar jig. A cahar jig. A cuig jig. A cuig jig. A she jig. A she jig. A shock jig. A shock jig. A hawk jig. A hawk jig. A knee jig. A knee jig. Would you like to try the numbers 11 to 19 again? A hen jig. A doe yig. A tree jig. A cahar jig. A cuig jig. A she jig. A shock jig. A hawk jig. A knee jig. Let's jumble them up again and see how many you can say before I say them. A hawked. A doe. A doe yig. A cuig jig. A tree. A cahar jig. A knee jig. Look out for numbers all around you. Can you work out your mobile phone number in Irish? Could you read a car registration plate in Irish? Have a try. I hope you enjoyed this video and have found it useful. Remember, you can watch this video over and over again until you're confident with the numbers from 0 to 19 in Irish. In our next video, we'll move on and use our knowledge of numbers from 0 to 19 to go further and use bigger and bigger numbers. Your teacher will help you practice them in class. Make sure to ask for help or support if you're not sure how to pronounce the words. Check back soon for more videos from the Irish department at St Paul's High School. Until the next time, go G an céad ella, slán go fóill.